What a waste of time. Guys, it's not all rosy, you know. You make mistakes. I will continue this makeup later when I see light again. I'll just go and wash. I wanted to wash, clean my house. My room is in a mess, and I'm here trying to create a content. Who should forgive me? Let's call it a wrap. I will pause this video. Let's call it a wrap, guys. Bye, guys. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your favorite girl Jen Onobia. If you're stopping by for the first time, you're welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you guys for always coming back to watch my video. So guys, it's been a while we did makeup tutorials because my reason is because I was having so many declaration of my skin. I had sunburn, so many things, pimples, as a result of the stress I went through when I went for the campaign for my NYSC camp. So I've been able to revive my face a little. As you can see, I still have some reaction, but nevertheless we are going to be creating videos because in case you're new in this channel is mainly about makeup tutorials, vlogs and skincare. So it's been like I've been doing vlogs, not as if I've forgotten what the channel is all about. So I'm still going to be doing makeup. I'm going to be switching it up, like I will do vlogs and I will do makeup, because I found out that you guys like it when I do vlogs, and vlog is actually doing so well on my channel, and I love the fact that it's doing well. So sit tight. So in today's makeup tutorial, I have nothing in mind. It's been a while, honestly. I don't even have a specific thing that I want to teach you guys, but let's say I'm going to do a flawless beginners friendly makeup start to finish. Like, I'm going to show everything in details. So guys, in case you are interested, sit tight and watch this video. Please, if you end up enjoying this video, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. Feel free to come into the channel, feel free to join the family. We've got a lot of fun here. So without further ado, let's get into the video. So guys, we are going to be starting off with our skincare. So today I'm going to be using my wipes and my cleansing water as usual. So I'm going to go over to wipe my face. You know, this is a very essential part in makeup. So guys, please ignore all the noise, ignore whatever noise that you're hearing from my background. I don't have a microphone, I don't have anything yet, so I've placed order for it. So our audio is going to improve in due time. I actually wanted us to do like a chit chat, you know. I want us to talk. So you allow it to dry before you go in with. So the next product is my Cetaphil, guys. This is a moisturizer that I've fallen in love with. This moisturizer is so good. Even without you wanting to wear a makeup, you can always apply it to your face. Makes your face smooth and silky. Like, you will love the feelings. If you have not been moisturizing your face, please try to moisturize before you go in with your primer. It gives your face a very good base. If you want to achieve a flawless look, you want your makeup to last, you have to hydrate your skin. Make sure you have a very good hydration, and your makeup is going to last. You don't really need to mattify your face because you want to have a mattified face. You now use everything mattifying product. It will make your face not breathe. But start off with moisturizing. If you have an oily skin, try to be using a water-based product and not an oily-based product. Oil and oil doesn't go, it doesn't match. But when you can use water based on your face if you have an oily skin like me. Yeah, so it is already feeling a bit tacky, it has dried off. So the next thing I'm going to go in with is to prime my face. So my primer today is from Hega and Esther. If you're a regular visitor here, you will know that I love this primer so much. So I'm not going to take it everywhere on my face, so I'm just going to be taking it around my T-zone area. This is where I bring out a lot of oil. Like, I pick up there the oil that come out here, you can literally use it and fry plantain. So my T-zone area, my forehead especially, I've already taught you about my T-zone area. This is my T-zone area. This is where I bring out oily. So I don't want to take it everywhere on my face in order to not to have stopped the shine that I'm going to get when I go with my foundation. So this is basically it for my skin prep, guys. The next thing you are going to do now is to go in with our foundation. So guys, the foundation I want to use today is from Avo. I love this foundation. I'm already finishing it. Like, I tried to pop it into my mixing pan and I didn't come out. This thing that I'm going to do is so wrong. It's not a good makeup tip, but I'm just going to tap it. You know, when you do this, it will make you go in with too much product and you wouldn't know that you are going with too much. But I'm just going to use it, you know, around my face. Then I will blend it out. So I'm going to blend the whole thing, then I will be right back. I'm going to blend behind the camera, guys. I thought I've been blending so much here in the camera, so I'm going to be blending behind the camera. If you want to know how I do my detailed blending, go back to my previous videos. I have detailed way to apply your foundation, guys. So let's go there. So I'm using in the shade Putan. I'm going to put it under my eye, my forehead. This foundation, this concealer is so creamy and so good. Like, you're going to love it. Then my nose bridge. I look like a clown. So I'm going to be blending it out, guys. Then I will be right back. So I'm done blending it out. I'm going to be setting my face using this Airspun powder. So I will use it to set the whole place I've highlighted right now. So I'm going to be using the same beauty blender that I used to blend the whole thing out. So I'm going to be taking a little. Then when you take, you blow out the excess so that it will not make your powder cakey. So I will put it take another one, blow it out. So I'm going to be taking my powder, you know, to go over my face. Guys, my space is at it again. I am struggling with my space, and whenever this thing happens, I am always angry. I don't know. So I'm going to be contouring. I'm going to be using this brush from Real Techniques. So I'm going to be taking this shade here to contour. I don't want to do a creamy contour today. Guys, I've actually used. What a waste of time. Guys, it's not all rosy, you know. You make mistakes. I will continue this makeup. later when I see light again. Or just go and wash. I wanted to wash, clean my house. My room is in a mess, and I'm here trying to create a content. Who should forgive me? Let's call it a wrap. I will pause this video. Let's call it a wrap, guys. Bye, guys.